Hello everyone, in today's video I will set on my bicycle seat suspension from Suntor SP12 NCX 31.60 mm. So I took off all my suspension and I will set this new one on my seat. It feels very well done and a nice quality. This brand is first time for me as I never bought it before. So as I see, you can fix from both sides your seat, that it makes it even more stable connection because you have a first and left and right part that you can fix very well your seat on your bicycle. That was also important for me when I choose. Also you can make lower or stronger for depends how big your weight is. My weight about 100 kilos, so I make a little bit stronger, so I will regulate it. So I make a little bit on the right way. So, but if you have regular weight, I guess 90 kilo for men, I guess you can still use settings which was initially when you bought it new from a factory. So I will start from this side and I will fix right side. It goes very well and it feels the quality is really good. And now I will fix other side. Okay, I will make a little bit stronger. To be sure that it's fixed very well. I still don't want to fix it very strong because I know it's not really good for any items to make it to screw in too much strong way. But I will try to make it on the middle. Yeah. So now it feels it done well. To be honest, I like how it looks. It looks very nice done, nice quality, and it looks nice. So now I will set my seat suspension on my bicycle from Scott. So like this it looks when it's set on a bicycle. And for the moment I edit this video. I used this seat suspension about 1 month, and from my side I would like to say it's really makes sense to buy it. Like this you can see how it works when you move, when you drive your bicycle, and to be honest it works really well when you drive over stones or any not perfect parts of the road. So like this it's common view how it looks on a bicycle. If you have any questions about the suspension based on my experience, I will be glad to answer in the comments.